Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit USD from Trust Wallet to Quotex. First, open your Trust Wallet application and locate your USD balance. Tap on USD to view its details. Next, select the Send option, which will allow you to transfer your tokens. You will then need to obtain your specific USD deposit address from your Quotex account. Ensure you copy this address accurately to avoid any transfer issues. Once you have copied the Quotex deposit address, paste it into the recipient field within your Trust Wallet. Double-check that the address is correct. Then, input the exact amount of USD you wish to transfer to your Quotex account. Review all the transaction details, including the amount and the network, before proceeding. This step is crucial for a successful and secure transfer of your funds. After confirming the transaction in Trust Wallet, the transfer will be processed on the blockchain network. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. You can monitor the transaction status within your Trust Wallet. Once confirmed, log into your Quotex account and navigate to your wallet or deposit history. Your USD funds should now be visible and ready for trading. Remember to always select the correct network, such as TRC20, when transferring USD to ensure compatibility and avoid losing your funds. Double-check all addresses before finalizing any transaction. Small errors can lead to irreversible losses. For more detailed guides and trading strategies, explore additional resources. Also, if you love reading, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for learning on the go.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.